And today's topic is team building. Yay. Just a second. Okay. So actually, I visited Taiwan in 2017 and 2018 for this capstone project. And Professor
Wen Chongyi,
showed us of course your campus and around like a night market. It was very good experience, and I'm sorry I cannot visit this year. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. So I graduated from University of Colorado at Boulder in aerospace engineering. So right now I'm building a satellite at Tokyo Tech. It's called OrigamiSat-1, OrigamiSat-2. So we are working in a team. So I can say I hope I'm good at team building. Okay, and in addition, I'm leading an engineering design project in graduate school of Tokyo Institute of Technology. I will talk about this in a next slide. So anyway, my research topic is space deployable structures, like membrane deployable structures, and also systems engineering for small spacecraft. This is a methodology to build a satellite. And in addition, I'm working on design thinking. So to lead this engineering design project, I didn't add this one, but here. But by the way, do you see my cursor? Let me use this one. I think this is more clear. Okay, so as I said, I'm leading engineering design project. It's there's a graduate course called Engineering and Science Design course in Tokyo Tech. So we combine the engineering education and the design education. Okay, so what we do is something like this. So we invite many participants from companies and also, of course, Tokyo Tech students, and also from art university students. And they work together to build an actual product using 2 quarters, half a year. So there will be, usually there's 10 teams in 1 year. So this is 9th year of this class. So basically I led 90 teams, 90 teams so far, and they have developed a wonderful product. Okay, so this project is very good because the participants' diversity is very high. So basically, from companies, the professional engineers come, and from Tokyo Tech, there are many variety of specialties like architecture or like control or of course, mechanical engineering and material science. Anyway, so we use, so this is actually really chaos. You know, if the background are different, it's very difficult to communicate, as you may imagine. So we use one methodology called design thinking. Have you ever heard of design thinking? This is one methodology developed by Stanford D School, and design steps are clarified like this into 5 steps: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. So this kind of methodology really helps when you work with a person from a different background. But design thinking itself is a bit difficult to learn. So today I just introduced the name here. Now today I will teach much simpler method. Okay, let me continue my self-introduction. Why I work on satellite. So I like Gundam. I hope you know. This is very old cartoon, but I think this is famous. So some of you may know. And then I wanted to make a space colony when I was a child. And also I wanted to study in the United States because I wanted to use English. And also I thought space engineering is nearly equal to NASA. This is very, simple idea, but it is important because I could really go to United States. So I was an exchange student at the University of California at San Diego. Then after that, I entered a graduate school at the University of Colorado at Boulder, and the Center for Aerospace Structure is there. So I studied there and I got my PhD degree, doctoral degree there. And after that, I was a postdoctoral researcher at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Then I joined the project inside the International Space Station. And I worked with these guys, and their background is really different. So I really felt the difficulty of working in a team. Okay? I really enjoyed working with them. And then I came back to Japan. Then after I came back to Japan, I joined the JAXA. JAXA is a Japanese version of NASA. JAXA's project called ICAROS. And this is a membrane deployment project. This is a 14 meter by 14 meter huge membrane is deployed for acceleration by sunlight. Okay, this is a 2010 project. And then after that, in my laboratory, I developed a very small satellite, 4-kilogram satellite called OrigamiSat-1. And currently we are working on developing OrigamiSat-2. This is a membrane, deployable membrane. This will be used for power generation. Okay, and this is the experiment we carried out at Tokyo Tech. So we developed a mechanism like this. I think this is very slow because of the communication. Anyway, so membrane deployment mechanism is developed also by a team. So this is my self-introduction. So today's lecture is about like this. So you are, I know each of you are an excellent student, but I think you have less experience working in a team than me, I think. So I want you to tell you, I want to tell how you can organize a good team. Okay. So yeah, please connect to your brain in your team. Okay, so this is the scope of this lecture. So yeah, basically I want you to understand why team building is important. Okay, this is because good team has good psychological safety. This word is very famous, I think because of Google. Google always say psychological safety. So I want you to learn how you can create a psychological safety in your team. Okay, so there's a methodology basically. Yeah, it's not a mental issue. There's a methodology to create a good psychological safety. So how can we build a collaborative environment with psychological safety for your developing excellent soft robots? So for your project, please consider how you can build a good environment by yourself. So this is the scope of this lecture. So this lecture basically covers 3 aspects of team building. And before that, I want to break a psychological barrier. So everybody has a mental barrier. So first I prepared some exercise to break the barrier. Then I want you to learn 3 things. So please find a proper tool for communication. Then, yeah, I will tell you some methodology that can be used in a team. And also, I will tell you about the mindset. Okay? So, shall I continue? By the way, TA, did you prepare the paper and aluminum foil?
Professor Sakamoto, we have everything ready.
Oh,
Yeah.
good, great,
Yeah.
great. Thank you. So for some, the students
we-
online, yeah.
Now we have a little bit more students. So,
Mhm.
but we have team A is complete, and
Oh,
team B has 3 person, but we are going to add 2
Mhm,
team C student and 1 D student into B here.
mhm.
So pretty much team B has everybody too. So here we have team A and team B. Yeah. The difficulty is the online student. I do not know the best way to invite them to join the team.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So online students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I cannot count. So how many students are
Online.
online?
7
7
or 6, 7 or 6. 6
Six.
student. Ben, can you
Oh.
count how many
Okay,
students?
then yeah, they can discuss here using a mirror. I will give you a mirror.
Okay.
Then yeah, so they can pretend as in a one team. Maybe.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Professor Sakamoto, so can I repeat again? So basically, here we have 2 true team,
Mhm,
and on the internet, on the Zoom,
mhm.
virtually we have 6 persons. So you will put them into one
One
virtual
team,
team.
maybe. So how many teams are in team A? How
Team A,
many team members? Yes.
We have 5 persons.
5.
in
Okay,
team
5
A
person.
game.
Okay.
Yes.
So and how about B?
B has true B as a team member of the B is
Mhm.
3 person,
Mhm,
but we are going to invite 2 students from the C
mhm.
and 1 student from the D to join them
Okay.
today.
So 6 members.
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
so 5, 6, 6. The last 6 is online.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
All right. So, and we have the papers and aluminum foil.
Aluminum
ready.
foil.
So-
Good.
Yes.
Good. So
So-
yeah, I will let you know if I want you to distribute.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Thank
good.
you so much.
Good, good. Okay, so let's start the actual activity. But first I want you to understand 2 things. This is a kind of a mental issue, but I think this is the most important way of thinking in this class. So first, I want you to understand the concept of distributed leadership. Okay, so this is let's see. Okay, this is the leadership in the past. Okay, one leader is a very good leader. Then they consider everything and they give you a proper instruction. This is a very old-fashioned leader. So in nowadays, leadership is something like this. Okay, everybody is a leader. And everybody take their responsibility and communicate well in a team. So this is called a distributed leadership. So I want you to try this kind of leadership in this project. So please, understand you are one of the leader in a team. Okay, this is a very important concept. Another thing is this one, try fast and fail fast. So, typically Asian students are afraid of making a mistake, right? I was in the United States for a long time, and they do many stupid things. I think that is a strength of their American way. So please make a failure mistake. Please make mistakes and failure many times as quickly as possible. Then you will get a success. So like in your capstone project, please try making soft actuator as many as possible. Then one of them may be excellent actuator. So this way of thinking is very important for team activity. Okay, stupid idea is a good conduct in a team. Anyway, so first I prepared the ice-breaking activity. So first I thought everybody is online, so I prepared this, but I had some of half, 2/3 of you are there. So I will copy this link. Just a second. Copy this link. This link to Zoom, so that so students in Zoom can join this Miro. Just, oh, this is not a text. Just a second. I copied the figure by error. Just a second. I cannot copy. Just a second. There's a link over there. I sent the 2 files in the chat. The first one is a link to this Miro. Okay. So as you may know, I will introduce what is Miro. So students online, please try to join this whiteboard, virtual whiteboard. In COVID-19 era, many projects are online. So actually, we carried out many classes using this tool called Miro. But the connection is very slow. Oh, so somebody is already here. So did you successfully open the Miro whiteboard? I thought I have to let you in. Okay, so you guys are coming inside. Okay, so somebody working in online, you can use this as a whiteboard. Okay, so if you want to make a self-introduction, you can write a post-it, or you can upload a figure. Okay, so if you draw something, please take a picture and please upload here, or you can draw here by using mouse or touch pen. Okay. Okay. So I see 5 students are already joined this board. Very quick. Very nice. Okay. So yeah, when activity starts, you can use this as kind of a table or a whiteboard, an actual whiteboard. Okay. Then for the other students in the class, let's do this. I like this activity. So can you distribute the aluminum foil? So each student should have about 50 centimeter aluminum foil. Okay. Okay, actually, then online students, let's start to do this. Okay, online students and on-site students have a different activity. Okay, so for online student, please draw some figures of the best food you have ever had. Okay, in mirror. Please try to draw a figure. Okay, so yeah, you can write on the paper, then you can take a picture if you want, or you can draw directly on mirror. Okay, you can start this activity now for online student. Okay, and yeah, please walk somewhere close here. Oh, this is my size was maybe too big. Okay, they start drawing. Very good, very good. Then for on-site student, okay, I will count 1 minute. Actually, I prepared a timer here. Actually, you can start. So please make an object that you can use for your self-introduction, like something like your favorite sport or favorite food, favorite hobby, something. Create something using aluminum foil. Do you I hope you understand? Yeah?
Yes. Can you give us the minutes or so to distribute the
Sure.
foil?
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. So please consider what you will be able to make. Okay, and 1 minute, very short, so quality is not important. And I encourage you to make many failures, many stupid things. So I want you to understand the concept of making quick failures. So this is 1 minute. Yeah, please let me know if everybody has got the aluminum foil.
Yes, almost. So Professor Sakamoto, you
yes.
want the student to create a object, fun object. That's the idea, right? Using the foil.
Using aluminum foil
to make a origami or something like that, to make fun out of it.
So, some object that you can use for your self-introduction. So like if you like baseball, then you may make a bat or glove and ball. And if you like, I don't know. If you like food, then please create some food using aluminum foil.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Got the picture. Yep. All right. So everybody make something.
Make something, start. And I usually play a music here, but yeah, today there's no music.
You feel like eating something, then maybe you can create a bowl, you know. This is not exactly being open-minded, right? Okay. Do you like dogs? Then you know I have 3 dogs. If I were you, I'll make a dog. Yeah.
And PA, can you open a breakout room that the students can move? Does somebody control the Zoom right now? Then, no, nobody is on. Then, later. Now, after this activity, I want you to everybody. I mean, I want to make a self-introduction in a team. I'm in charge of Zoom now. Okay, so let's send the online students to one breakout room, and please make a self-introduction in the breakout room. Using the using a sticky note with your name and also your picture. So let's see what kind of picture prepared. Okay, okay. So yeah, please write your name using a sticky note. Then please introduce yourself. Using
Professor
this.
Sakamoto, I'm
Yes.
sorry to interrupt you, Professor
Mhm.
Sakamoto. We
Sure,
have two team here. So should we create a two circular table
Yes.
for each
very
team
good.
now?
Yes, yeah,
that-
that's what I wanted to say next.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Then can you give us a little bit more time so
Sure,
that we
sure.
can break in to create a circular table for two teams?
Very good.
Yes,
very
we
good.
will do so.
Yeah. So, when you make a breakout room, Professor Lin, let's make a 5 minutes, timer. Then they will come back in after 5 minutes.
We should make a circular table too. A this side, B that side. Okay. All right. And yeah, then you should have like a second 16. Good. All right. And
So yeah, I cannot control the breakout room. So can you open the breakout room?
okay.
No.
Then I'm doing, okay. Oh, you see. Okay, then you should go to that side. Okay. Okay, stay here. Good. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, then we create something.
Okay, so you already, if you are divided into two teams, that's for the students on site.
Yes,
Please-
we have two teams and two circular tables.
Okay, now, so 1 minute for each person. Please make a self-introduction and please make everybody remember your name. So everybody should remember your name after this self-introduction. So please make
Okay.
an impressive self-introduction using your aluminum foil object. Okay, so I will let you know 1 minute. Then, yeah, you should go to the next person will start the self-introduction. Okay, so who goes first? Volunteer. Who goes the first? Okay, very good, very good. So let's start. Okay, start.
Sit up and then talk.
Oh, yes, that would be super nice.
Yes, so maybe a brief.
No. So self-introduction in a team. Sorry, in a team.
Okay.
Yeah, because I want to save the time.
Okay, that's it. So, my name is Juan. There's something Juan. So, decided to make that because I agree. So, that's a kind of like piece of element part of that. So, you didn't know that. And okay, not hard. What? Yeah, you're only fine. You want me to do it? You just feel that. Oh, that's good. Like, to a certain extent, when you make this, you're talking about it, but as a thing, and then some, it's more like that. And we want to go now about the way of, that is in all of us, so, I don't know, like, framing that I before, maybe say.
Okay, for on-site student, let's start the self-introduction here in the main room. Maybe opening breakout, okay. Okay, breakout room function. Maybe this is off by default setting. Yeah. Okay, so can you turn on the camera and then, yeah, please make a self-introduction in room. Okay, please turn on camera. Then who goes first? Who wrote potato, fried potato? Lo Ting Wu? Can you start your self-introduction? Oh. By the way, 2 minutes has passed. Sorry. Okay, so please start the next person, and yeah, about 1 minute. Then please go to the next person. Then please applause. Clap your hands after somebody make a self-introduction. Okay, please start the self-introduction online. Please. I'll be listening. One minute. Students online, can you start the discussion? Oh, very good. Yeah, please make a brief.
Hello, Professor.
Yes.
I Lo Ting Wu.
Yeah. And what did you draw?
McDonald's fries.
Okay. Good, good. That is what you want, what you like.
Yes, I like it fresh.
Very good, very good. So 2 minutes after I started the count. So yeah, let's go to the next person. Very quick. Let's go quick. So who will be next online?
Hi, Professor.
Hello.
I'm Yuling Yu.
Mm-hmm.
I draw a chocolate ice cream here.
It's a chocolate ice cream. I didn't recognize. Good.
Yeah, because I like a chocolate ice cream, so I draw it here.
Yeah, very good. Very good. So do you know each other already? Or you do not know each
Yeah,
other?
we know
Already
each
know.
other.
Oh, you already know. Okay. So yeah, we can go quickly. Then who will be the third person online?
Okay,
this is
I
3
can
minutes. Yeah. Yes.
I can do my introduction now.
Yeah, good, very good.
I'm Po Ju Huang, and I draw a crowd.
Oh, okay, crown.
Yeah, because I think it means like jewelry, and jewelry means money. I like money.
Okay. Very good.
Okay,
Very
thank
good.
you.
Yeah, thank you. So with the last person, yeah.
Hi, Professor. I am
Mhm.
Zhao Tong. I don't think I have a favorite food, so I choose beef noodle.
Okay, noodle. Good.
I think my drawing skill is not not very good. So maybe you can see what is
No,
this.
the writing on screen is very difficult. Yeah. So good job. Okay, so 5 students, and is there any other students online? Okay, everybody finished. Okay, so please, you may turn off your camera. Then I will go to the next activity. Okay. So how are you doing on site?
Done with the introduction.
Done. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think this is your first time to use aluminum foil for your self-introduction. And you may find some difference, just a second. Okay. Here. So if you have something on your hand, your way of self-introduction is different from the previous one, the usual self-introduction. So having object on your hand really has an influence to your activity, your way of thinking and way of speaking. So in your design project, like in Japan too, students tend to discuss only using words, but it's not very helpful in my opinion. Okay, so first you should make something, or at least you should draw something. Then your way of communication is really different. Okay, so I just wanted to feel the difference. Okay, so now this is a team building exercise. This is created by my colleague at Tokyo Tech. This is designed for engineering design project actually. Okay, so today I know you do not have a sticky note, but I think you have many white papers. So TA, please give them A4 white papers and pen. Pen and paper. So here I draw a sticky note, but this can be substituted by a paper. And for students online, you have an infinite number of sticky notes. Okay, so you can use a sticky note as many as possible, as many as you want.
Professor Sakamoto, the paper
Yes.
has been distributed. Everybody has the paper, 10 sheets of paper now.
Oh, 10. Oh, 10. So it's a lot. Great. So, because time is already past almost 50 minutes, let's see. Let's see. So let me take a break after this activity. Okay. So, because time is limited, I will skip this part. Okay, this part is actually drawing faces of your team members. Actually, I cannot see the lecture room. Oh, okay, I can see now. Sorry, I pinned. I will skip this part. Already online student experienced some drawing. This is drawing the face is another good icebreaker activity. So I will skip this part. Then, please write your name and your department on A4 paper. And so for online student, please write this in one sticky note. Then please write 3 things. Okay, write your top 3 favorites and strengths. Actually related to soft robots development. What do you think your strength in this project? Okay, and use verb and noun style, like watching movies. Okay, so verb watching and noun movies. Okay, like drawing CAD. That's good. You know, solving mathematics. That's good. Something like that. Your strength in this project. So 1, 2, 3. 3 strength. Okay, so I will give you 1 minute, just one is maybe short. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes. Then let's take a break after that. So if you are not ready, you can continue writing during the break. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes.
Don't forget your nickname or English name. Right? How do you want other your teammates to call you, or how do you want me to call you? And what's your strength? Are you good at programming algorithm? Are you good at CAD design? Or you know good at the teammates? That's a skill. That's a skill too, right? Right?
Okay, 2 minutes has passed, but if you have not finished, please finish it during the break. So let's take a break, like 7 minutes break, very short, but it's in order to keep you activated. I think the break is important.
When you use the marker,
So I'll be back in 7 minutes.
Right? Everybody, let's use the marker to write down everything so that.
But I forgot to say one thing. Please use a thick pen.
Yes.
Thick pen, yes.
Marker, right?
Yeah, marker. Yes. It's important because everybody will share in your team. So thick pen is important. Anyway, I will return in 6 minutes.
Can I propose you to pull out your name tag and write down your nickname or English name under your true name? Good, so that I can call you by that name. Is that okay? Good. So we still have a space, right? That's when we have a space, right? So how do you want me to call you? Yeah, so no, that is perfectly okay. So just, could you write down how do you want me to call you? Only your name tag. Good. All right, I'm ashamed to admit I'm not so good at reading Chinese characters. Okay, so can you pull out the name card? Okay, then write down your nickname or English name or whatever under your official name. Anything is fine. If you want me to call you plus, then put the plus sign. If you want me to call you minus, fine, just put the minus, then I can call you Mr. Minus or Miss Minus. Later, okay, all right, so by doing by next time, all right? So everybody's done with writing down your name on your name card? Can I see it? Oh, good, all right. I need you to write down your English name. Oh, pen, we have more pen though, we do. We have way more pen, yeah. 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 Okay. All right. from the 30th.
Okay, do you hear me? Okay, let's continue. Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Okay.
you.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I hope everybody wrote your strength. Then I want you to show and tell your poster. You mean a name and department and 3 strengths. So I think you have already introduced your name. So please tell your 3 strengths to your team members. Then about 1 minute per member, but I think that is 1 minute is a bit too long. So I will give you just 4 minutes for everybody. So maybe 30 seconds or something. Okay, less than 1 minute. Then yeah, please share your strength. 3 strengths.
Everybody introduce yourself with your strengths.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, online students online. Yeah, please use yes this Miro whiteboard and please start sharing your strengths. Okay, shall we start? Okay, let's start. 4 minutes. Please start. Somebody please start. Who will go first? Okay, please go. Go ahead. Please show your poster, your paper. So online, students online, who will go first? So it's the same order from last time. So Wu-san, you may start.
Right.
Sure, go
Okay.
ahead. Quick.
Hello everyone. I'm Uloti, and I like playing instruments like piano or trombone. And I also like to taking photos and watching Netflix.
Okay,
That's
good.
my introduction.
Okay, yeah, we go next. So maybe Yu-san.
Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Yulin Yu. I'm from mechanical engineering, and I like watch movie and go and travel. Also listen to music.
Okay. So how about the Dun-san?
Okay. I'm Poju Huang. My favorite habit is playing guitar and scuba diving and playing video games. Basketball.
Okay. Here. Sorry, I didn't
Okay.
see. Good.
Okay. Sorry for too small.
No. My screen was too small. Okay, who about Dun-san?
Hi, I'm Zhao Tong. I like to study history and geography, and I like to play table tennis.
Good. So can you add verb like studying history, and studying or learning geography and playing? Can you please add verb? Yeah. As my instruction is like this one. Oh, I'm opening too many. Yes. Oh, it's very slow. My computer is very slow. Very slow. Ah. Yep. Yes. Okay. So verb plus noun style. Watching movies, something like this. Okay. Yeah. Please add verb. Okay. So yeah, online students already finished self-introduction, and yeah, after 35 seconds, I will go to the next activity. So on-site student, have you already finished sharing your strength?
A is done. I don't know
Okay.
about the team B. Team B, are you done? So team B is done? Oh, okay.
Very good.
Yeah. It looks
Very
like I
nice.
interrupted, but team B is also done.
Okay, very good. Very smooth. Okay, now let me move on. Now, this next one is a fun part. And I think you do not have a team name yet. Just team A, B, C. That is not very interesting. So I want you to have fun in your design project. So let's decide the team name, but please pretend you guys are making a company. Okay? So let's build a company with your team members. Okay, everybody is a co-founder. And then when you start a company, you are venture, entrepreneurs. So please use your founders' favorite things and strengths to start your business. Okay, so let's make 3 business plans with an effective combination of the founders' favorite things and strengths. Like if somebody is good at making coffee and making furniture using machine tool, then customize furniture with coffee machine business. How about starting a business like this? Okay, or if you like taking a walk and somebody like playing a piano, then creating a new musical instrument device for walkers. Something like stupid business. Okay, so I will give you 8 minutes, and please please make a business plan, 3 business plan. Then after that, I will ask you to choose one. Okay, if you concentrate only one final solution, then you cannot do many stupid things. But so I force you to work on making 3 ideas. Then one of them will be very stupid idea, and everybody will enjoy. Okay, so please make 3 business plans with an effective combination of your strengths and favorites. Okay, then please write down the business plan, like customizing furniture with the coffee machine, something like this. Okay, so I will ask you to present after 8 minutes. Okay, I want you to work in a team. Clear? Is my instruction clear enough? わかりました? Okay.
I think we're okay. So basically, Professor Sakamoto, you want the students to come up with 3 venture business, right?
Yes, business plan.
Yeah.
Business plan
Okay.
can be stupid, as stupid
Yes.
as like this.
I think that's a great idea. So let's make start the 3 companies with very stupid ideas, right?
Combining your strength.
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you 8 minutes. Okay, please start. Okay, students online, yeah, please start the discussion. I will be silent. Okay, you have to share the screen, I guess. Yes. Something like this. Okay. Maybe you can see the screen by yourself, actually, by the way. Okay, please. So for students, please start discussion. Please create stupid business plans.
recording。
啊，你说什么？
是我们要讨论什么？
Yeah, you can use Chinese if you want. Good, good.
OK，为什么可以一起的吗？
我们一起。
他说要计划一个东西，
他说要从刚刚的，就是大家写的兴趣里面计划成一个像可以做什么的公司之类的，是不是？就是
对啊，
哦，是这样。
好像就是把大家写的组起来，然后变成一个，
公司的计划。
对对对对，
林玉刚刚写什么？
我写看电影、旅行、听音乐。
好像跟音
那个
乐
两个人提到
两个乐
器，
器跟一个
应该
音乐啊
可以选乐器相
两个乐
关的。
器跟一个听音乐的，唱片公司简单。
可以，
可以
有，料吗？有料。
好像要3个对吧
OK？
要3个计划
这样子，3个吗？Play instrument, play guitar, and listen music 啊。
要合成现在一个嘛？哎呀，
现在第一个还要再提另外2个。
哦。Watch Netflix, watching movie，还有什么？
还有
会不会跟那个你的玩电脑应该
playing video
电脑游
game，
戏应该差不多？
影视公司吗？
对啊，Netflix 不是也有游戏，所以其实差不多。
哦，那感觉可以。那第3个嘞？
2个都没有指好的。
啊，
好了
没有没有，我的感觉很不合群诶，应该没什么。
你的是什么？
嗯，
history 是什么？
那有没有运动
运动
有
table tennis，
啊
table tennis 可以跟
？Scuba， 博罗的 Scuba，
scuba
好，
diving，
那还有嘞？
跟那个 Going Travel 啊，
哦，好，那我们可以跟老师讲。但我那个有个吵在录。好，
那你在哪里啊？在外面啊。
对，好，那我们可以跟老师讲，要吗？
可以吧？
我们第一个是啥来着？音乐公司。
那个 playing instrument，
Okay, Professor. We have a result. Final discussion. Like.
So you should make 3 business plans. Have you made it?
Yeah.
3. Yeah, please write
Can we
down
write down?
write down on a sticky note.
Oh, okay.
Good. Very
Very
good.
good.
But you have
我先关一下
3 minutes more. So if you want, you can make a 4th one. Yes.
陆婷试一下，我走一下路。
好，影视公司啊，影视公司的英文，还有领域的啊。
你是要写第2个吗？还是第1个？ 还是直接写什么娱乐公司还是什么？
没有啊要音乐，音乐是哦，你说一人写一个，
那个music industry 啊，
好，那我就写 music，然后刚刚第二个是
影视吧
没？拼，
影视是什么？
It seems most teams finished the activity. Is it true?
Is team A and B done? B done? Okay. Looks like B still needs a little bit more time to
Okay.
come up with more business plan.
Yeah, please make 3. 3 is a magical number. 2 is easy, but third one will be difficult, but it tended to be very stupid. That means innovative.
是不是要打一层才能写？
Who wants more time? I think A is done. Very good. Oh, count is stopped. Why? 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Because of the late community. Okay, so 8 minutes has passed. Can I move on? Yeah, if you only have 2 business plans, that is possible. It's okay. Then let me move on. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so next activity is this. Choose the best business plan and pick an appropriate company name. Please make a appropriate company name, and that will be your team name. Okay? So that is a good combination, interesting combination of your strengths. So what will be your company name? Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to decide your team name, or company name. Please start. Students online, yeah, please start the discussion. Do I need to share the mirrors window here?
It's okay, we can see it.
Okay, good. So please start discussion.
要挑一个，然后取名字。
你只要取一个什么？
从刚刚那3个挑一个，然后取名字。
哪一个比较好取？
ZP 的影
你们要挑
啊？什么听不到？
，sorry，我刚刚在冲刺。好，那个你们要挑 music industry 嘛，因为这样感觉取名比较好取。现在是
好啊
挑三个，然后挑一个取名嘛，
对，
对吧？那怎么叉 music 是不是就可以了？
可以啊。
想一下啊，刚才过红绿灯了。我在去学校路上
就叫 online music。
，online music。
可以哦。
对啊，
好，没关系。那先这样啊。如果我想到什么好点，我再讲。我现在
好啊，
好，
OK，
那我就先打 online music。
我想法就是感觉比较没有距离，歌手跟那个歌迷的话，
啊，你说什么？再讲一次。
说取名 online 的原因就是有点歌手跟那个歌迷比较没有距离的感觉。
哦，那要怎么写？
OK，
他好像也不用特别写含义之类的，
哦，真的哦。
好像取名就好了。
不过可以先想，说不定他会问。
嗯，
If you finish please write down the team name and your business plan in one A4 paper. Please write down your team name on a paper, please.
Write down the company name, your team name. Yeah. And pretending that you will start a company and what kind of business you will create. So write down your company name and what kind of business your company will do.
Yeah. So usually I ask you to make a slogan of your company, but yeah, I will skip this part. So simply please present your team name to everybody. So team A, can you speak out? Can you, Professor, do you have a
Yes,
microphone?
I can circulate the microphone. So,
Okay. Please tell me what is the team name and business plan.
okay, Team A has the name and what is the business plan?
Hello.
Hello.
We are Surf and Turf, Team Surf and Turf, because
Okay.
surf and turf means sea and land. And we have a plan that is we want to make a TV that is able to surf on the ocean and internet. So actually the TV is a surfboard.
Okay. Good, good. Yeah, interesting name. Thank you very much. Okay, so how about team B?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Our company name is Penguin Technology.
Hmm?
P
Penguin.
P
Mhm.
stands Penguin. The
Hmm?
alphabet P stands
Yeah.
for plasma, and G is stand for hazardous gases. Yes,
Okay.
our goals is to use plasma technology to decompose the hazardous gases.
Good. Good.
Mm,
Sounds
that's all.
very technology a company. Eh? Very good. Okay, so how about the online team? So yeah, you may break into two teams, but for now, in today, what is your team name? Can somebody speak out?
Our team name is Online Music because we design our business is a music industry. The
Mhm.
singer or instrument player can have a
Mhm.
podcast with the
Mhm.
fans.
Mhm.
We call this name Online Music because we want to shorten the distance between fans and player or singers.
Great, great. Yeah, you already have a slogan, yeah, kind of a, company mission already. Very good. Yeah, so if you are divided into team C and D, please make your new team name maybe tomorrow or after this lecture. Okay? So having a, funny team name is important to become a good team. Okay, you are now a team member. So yeah, please work together. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I will move on because time is limited. Okay, so now you have a team name. Then I will talk about, three things, proper tool and proper methodology and proper mindset. So can you see the screen? If you cannot see the screen, yeah, please turn your body. Or you may turn your table. I think it's very hard to see the screen in the back. Okay. So I will talk about the tool, team working tool. So you may think this is a secondary objective than secondary thing, but in my opinion, this is the most important thing in team activity. Sometimes we call it is a logistic. Logistic is the most important for winning the war. So please decide in the logistic in your team. Okay, so first, will you have a meeting online or always face-to-face? Please make a rule in your team. So if you have an online meeting, so will you use Zoom, Meet, Team, or other things, other method? Please decide the rule in your team. Okay. Then how about the chat? Discord or Slack. These are very powerful tools. You may use Line, maybe. I don't know. What is the most popular chat tool in Taiwan. What chat tool do you use? Do you have a common tool?
Mostly. Professor Sakamoto, we
Yes.
use Line most of the time.
Okay, Line.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So yeah, so I really recommend you to make a group Line today. Then the communication will be very smooth after this lecture. And visualization tool during meeting, I do not recommend the meeting only by words. I really do not recommend the meeting only by words. Please draw figures or please make a prototype. Okay, please discuss with any object. This really helps your communication. So if you have an online meeting, I recommend to use Miro, or this is a free. You can make 3 boards by free. Or Google Documents. This is very powerful tool. Or Notion is a free tool as well. Actually, in our engineering design project, we use Notion. This is also provided by, you have a free account. Okay, so this kind of visualization tool really helps your discussion. Or if you have a whiteboard, if you can keep the whiteboard, then during the project, keeping one whiteboard for one team is a good option as well. Okay, then file sharing. So you will make a CAD. How do you share your files? Please determine the team rule. Okay, and also CAD. Yeah, there are many softwares that if somebody uses different software, that is really obstacle for the team project. So please use common software as much as possible. So I will let you work on this later, maybe. Yeah, because I will want to save my time for the lecture. So please determine these rules in your team later. Okay? Yeah, this again, this is the fundamentally important for your team activity. Okay, so yeah, please make sure that everybody has logged in for example, in the same group line or Slack. Yeah, please do not leave somebody behind. Okay, you guys are the team. Okay, so let me talk a bit about methodology. So design thinking is a powerful tool for team working, but it's a bit complicated. So I will let you know this very simple double diamond model. This is taken from Wikipedia, actually, double diamond. Okay, so basically when you determine if you when you derive solution for some problem, there's a double diamond structure. So first you have to discover the solution space. So this is a divergence process. Then you define the problem. This is a convergence problem. Then if you define the problem, then you look for the solution space. This is divergence process. Then you derive one solution. This is convergence process. Okay, so there's a divergence process, convergence process, divergence process, convergence process. If you share this concept in your team, then you will have a less conflict. Okay, so if somebody think, oh, now is divergence process, but if the different team member thinks, oh, this is convergence process, so now we have to decide. But other team member, no, we have time, so we can make very stupid things. Then your team member will fight each other. Okay, so you have to have a common understanding. Now let's have a divergence process. Let's look for many options. Okay, then now let's move on to the convergence process. So let's write a one proposal. I think that next week you have to write a one proposal, right? So you will have a convergence process probably next week because you have to write a one proposal. Okay, so you will experience divergence and convergence in this weekend, I think. Weekend or on Monday. Okay, so please be aware this structure, double diamond structure. This can be used as a common sense, a common language in your teamwork. Okay. So typical methodology for divergence is called brainstorming. I think most of you have heard about it, brainstorming. And brainstorming has a very strict rules, but many people do not know the rule. So if you do not know the rule about brainstorming, it's very difficult to carry out the brainstorming. So please, remember these rules. So when you conceive an idea, okay, these are the rules. And so I will distribute this slide later. I will give you a PDF file to the professor, then you can download. Okay, so please see these rules. Anyway, I think the most important one is this one: encourage wild ideas. Okay, so in divergence process, you always encourage wild ideas. I say stupid ideas. This is encouraged in divergence process. Okay, but if you say this is a stupid idea in convergence process, that will irritate your team members. Okay, so you have to understand the proper situation. Okay, and go for quantity. This is the same. Quantity matters. Okay, so this is, I prepared a practice, but I will skip this. I will skip this. Yes. So yeah, if you are good at brainstorming, 100 idea can be created in 5 minutes. This is very easy, actually. So brainstorming is easy. So creating idea is not very difficult. Creating good idea is difficult, but creating many idea is very easy, actually. So if you have 100 ideas, 1 or 2 of them may be a good idea. This is the concept of divergence process. So this is this is a brainstorming methodology. Okay, so this is a methodology part. Then if I have time, I want to talk about the systems engineering as well. Okay, let me talk in 5 minutes. Okay. So I want to talk about a bit professional methodology called systems engineering, because this is my specialty. Systems engineering is used for aerospace structures, aerospace systems development. So, NASA and other, like JAXA, other institute created like an International Space Station. And these systems are created based on systems engineering. So I just introduced this methodology very quickly. Okay, this is my satellite. This is our satellite developed in a laboratory. So this is very complicated. So without a methodology, it's very difficult to work in a team. So different, each team has team members have a different background and different skills. So how can we combine team members' skill to create such a complicated system. Okay, this is a systems engineering. Okay, so systems engineering, SE, is an interdisciplinary approach and means to enable the realization of successful systems, and almost 50 years of history. And one of them is called phased project planning. Like a project is divided into several phases, like phase A, phase B, phase C. Then in the end of each phase, we have a review. So this is a typical way of developing satellites or rocket. And this concept is based on systems engineering. And your capstone project is something, like this. You will have a proposal kind of review next week. Then I think and a week after next week, we have some review session with, Tokyo Tech professors, I think. So you have you are going to have a phased project planning, PPP methodology. And originally, this is made by American military. And also this is used for Apollo mission. Yeah, Werner von Braun said, Apollo mission is the success of systems engineering. So what is systems engineering? Systems engineering is characterized by this V model, V-shaped model. Then, this is a process of system development. So first you define the mission and you clarify the user requirement. Then engineer decides the system requirement, then design the component, and this is a planning part. Then engineers started to manufacture the component and gradually assembly the component. Then finally, system is integrated. Then system is used by a user. Then the satellite is launched. Okay, so this is a very difficult, maybe a difficult and professional concept. So this is for, students. I believe students should learn these four way of thinking. So first, planning is important. Okay, it's very important to clarify your mission, definition, and requirement. So I think your mission is making fast soft robot. Okay, so please define what you are aiming. What is your objective? Then second is the clarification of verification plan and verification item. This is a test plan. Okay, so when you plan the mission, your objective, then plan a test plan. Please make a test plan. How you test your system. Then management of schedule, allowing for verification. This is also important. Most of the project fails because you do not have enough time. So management of time is important. Then finally, clear distinction between verification and validation. This is the most difficult part. So verification is done by you, the engineers. Okay, validation is done by user. So this is an actual society. So in your capstone project, this is a competition. Okay, so during the competition, your system is validated. Okay, then during the development, your system is tested by you. This is actually a different phase. So for engineer, actually, it's important to know the difference between verification and validation. Verification is done by engineer and validation is done by user, actual user or society. So this is a launch, actual launch for satellite. Okay, so this for any system development, you have this kind of a process. So if you have knowledge about the systems engineering, it's very easy to communicate in your team. Okay, and in this slide, I prepared an example of a simulated satellite. The Tokyo Tech student made a simulated satellite based on this methodology, and I showed some example. Yeah. So if you are interested, please see the slide. I will distribute this later. And yeah, prototyping is important. So as I said, quick failure is it will lead to success. So please make prototype as many as possible to determine your system goal. Like so, this simulated spacecraft, student made 20 prototypes. Okay, so this kind of quick failure really leads you to the success of your project. Okay, so this is the methodology part. Then last part is the mindset part. Mindset. Okay, so I believe engineering is a team sport, and he's a Taiwanese, I think. He's a Taiwanese player, but he contributed to the winning the National Baseball League in Japan. Okay, so this is so I want you to experience this kind of winning experience in this capstone project. So please play your engineering skill. Please use your engineering skill for the team sport. Okay, so the important mindset for team sport is team activity is these three things based on this book. Okay, so this is pronounced HRT, HRT. So humility, respect, and trust. This is a kind of common sense, but this is really important in your team project. Okay, so about humility, you are not the center of the universe. You are open to self-improvement. So please act with humility, and please respect the others. You care about others you work with, and you treat them as human beings. Yeah, this is very important. And trust. You believe others are competent and will do the right thing. I think this is the most difficult part. Yeah, because if you do not know your team member, it's very difficult to trust. But I recommend you to make a quick mistake. So please pretend you really trust your team member first. Okay? So I think that is a good way to make a good team environment. Okay? Okay, then again, I returned to the first slide. Okay, so in this lecture I wanted you to learn the concept of distributed leadership. Everybody is a leader, and everybody respect to each other. Everybody trust each other. Everybody is a leader, but they are working with humility. Okay, this is the I think ideal team. And again, try fast and fail fast. It's an important concept. Okay, so today very quickly first I wanted to break the psychological barrier. That's why I conducted some stupid games. Okay. Then I talk about the proper tools and proper methodology and proper mindset for teamwork. Then finally, this is a kind of a report. I think I need to make a homework, I guess, right? So please write the following. And not only that, maybe a sticky note. Professor, how can students submit this report to me? Do they have a common Google document or
Yes.
something?
Professor Lin has created Google folder, doc
Uh-huh.
folder. So
Uh-huh.
if you want the student to submit a simple PDF file or something, we
Yes.
can do so. Yes.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
please make a document like so PDF. Please submit the PDF file, writing these. Okay, so yeah, you may now start writing if you want. That's why I keep the time 5 minutes. I left 5 minutes, but not many students have a PC right now, I guess. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, so please write your name in Chinese character and English, and please describe what was the impressive things, new things that you have learned today. Okay, please write maybe 1 or 2 paragraphs. And also, if you are not sure something, then you may write a question in this report. But I will not answer. So yeah, just I wanted to know what was not clear in this lecture. So you may write a question, or you can ask a question right now. I will take some questions. Okay, this is the end of my slide, and now I will take any questions.